It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Good morning, everyone. I am Mr. Paul Louis B. Serrano, the trainer of the University of the Cordilleras Percussion and Orchestra. For today's video, I am going to demonstrate to you my created MS database for UCPO re-ranking or audition form. But before I start, I would like to say thank you for our beloved instructor, Professor Dr. Ami Balsita for giving us this opportunity to create this database. Kasi nasanay po kami na lagi po nasa printed form. So this is our first time na probably by next term, kasi katatapos lang po ng aming first term for this 2024. So we are going to use this one starting 2025. So thank you very much, man, for giving us the challenge to create this database. So let me walk through with our audition form. So, oh, by the way, let me share my screen with sounds. Okay. Share full screen tayo. Yan. There you go. Wait lang po. Oops, lumalabas yung database kaagad. Ba't na kagad? Excited. Wait lang po. Thank you po. Okay, so this is the performance assessment rubrics for Center for Creative Productions or the CCP na ginagamit po namin for our re-ranking or audition forms. Actually, matagal na po namin ginagamit to since the start. Ito na po yung ginagamit namin. So, starting this 2025, gagamitin na po namin yung ginawa ko po. I hope ma-approve po ng aming CCP director. So, UC Percussion and Orchestra, first term, second term, third term, depende pag first term, tapos na. So, next term na po is second trimestral. So, 3 terms po kasi kami every year, every academic year. Then yung name, like yung name, town, province, number of years in the group, ilang years na kayong nasa group, your age, sex, male or female, telephone number, course and year, your instrument, do you play what kind of instrument or what type of instrument? So, pwedeng piano, keyboard, percussion, all-around percussion, trumpet, clarinet, saxophone, cello, or whatever instrument that you play. Then, previous performing experiences or awards. May mga natanggap ka bang most outstanding award, ganyan, or any awards po, or any performance po na nakipag-compete kayo, you can put it here. Yan. And then this is the 40%, which is the performance assessment. 40%. So with the 20 points maximum, you can assess our students with this quality of daily training output. So every training po namin, so dito po pwedeng 4 points, 8 points, 13 points, 17 points, or 20 points po yung highest na binibigay namin. And then quality of performances during concert. Pag nagko-concert po kami, ina-assess pa rin po namin. So kung very good yung performance na during concert, edi 20 points. Kung sumablay ng isang nota, no choice, 17 points po yung magiging score nila. So ganyan. And then, so that is 20 plus 20, 40 points. Then the remaining 60 points, ito po, maximum of 60 points all in all. Pag pinagdagdag 35 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 is 60 points po. So, yan po siya. So, for 35 points, for those who knows how to read notes, note reading or first sight reading, nagbibigay po ako ng mga pyesa, basahin nila, pag nabasa nila, first sight, yan, iniscorean ko na po. Then, ability to design, compose, choreograph, or arrange different musical instruments, or nagko-choreograph, especially mga nagda-drumline, or yung mga gumagawa po ng mga movements, expressions, ganyan. Or basta very creative. So, 10 points. Flexibility to other instrument for those who can shift other instrument. Yung mga saxophone ba, nakakapag-play ba ng clarinet, nakakapag-play ba ng other parts of the instrument. Pag saxophone ka, kaya mo ba mag-play ng trombone part, ganyan. So, flexibility. And of course, you have the ability to train or coach. O kaya ba nila mag-train ng mga younger students, younger members. So, pwede po yun. So, that is total of 100 points divided by 40%. And then for the attitude and conduct, which is we have here, punctuality, attendance, na maximum of 50 points pong binibigay namin dyan. Discipline and compliance, 15 points. And then initiative and leadership, maximum of 10 points. Conduct in and out school, that is 10 points. Attitude toward peers and superiors, that is 15 points. So total of 100 points divided by 20%. So yan na po yung total of 40% plus the 20% of your attitude. So nasa 60 na. So ano yung remaining 40? Dito po namin kinukuha yon. So again, musical performance 40%, attitude and conduct 20%, academic performances, like for example, pumasa ba lahat ng grades nila during this first term? Oh. So pag nagsubmit sila ng grades, pag pumasa lahat, 100 points. Pag may bagsak po silang isa, automatic 70 to 99% pass lang nila yon. So meaning 75 points lang yung makukuha nila. And then for those who have 50% to 69% lang na-pass nila, 50 points lang po makukuha nila. Divided by 40%. So pag pinag-add po natin yan, 40, 20, 40, total of 100%. Before po, ang ginagamit namin classification is 85. But starting 2025, we were going to use 90% as Class A. Pag yung Class A naman po, for those who gain the Class A score, they can enjoy the 100% full scholar. Lahat po. So, wala na po silang babayaran. For Class B, they still have their full scholar. Yun nga lang, babayaran nila, I think, 50% of the miscellaneous. So, same true with Class C. Full scholar ang kanilang tuition fee, but they need to pay 100% of their miscellaneous. So, yan po yung ginagamit namin before that. Assessed by Maestro Paul and then the date, then noted by our CCP director. Yan po. So, yan po yung ginagamit namin. Then, for today, I'm going to show you my created database. Ito na po yun. So, for example, created database. So, meron pa ako mga database dito. For example, ito po. Wait, close ko po. So, may ginawa na akong Harry Roque database, database ni Luis Acejo, Benjamin Santos, Sofia de la Rosa, Divine Flores, Jasmine Pasha, Paul Luis Serrano, kakagawa ko lang kanina. So makikita dyan yung age, yung sex, course and year, telephone, years in the group, tapos instrument played, term, tapos submitted grades, yan ba? So, then you have your submitted video recording. So, for example, puntahan natin si Luis Acejo. Pag pinunta natin si Luis, ito yung makikita natin kanyang next, for example naman, puntahan natin si kunwari si Divine Flores, Shelo. O pag naman, ito yung mga sample videos nila. Yan po, skip. So, pakinggan natin yung kanya. Diba? At least pag na-document nila yung mga isasubmit po nila. Alright, so nandyan po lahat ng mga video links. Yan po. So, pwede ko pong i-click yan. Then now, let's try to create a new one. Punta pa tayo dito sa ating UCPO re-ranking form and audition form. For example, new. Click lang natin yung new. My name is Pedro Penduco. Ayan. Pedro Penduco. Age 22. Hindi, 2020. Ganyan. Telephone number, wait, ito. 074-6699. Ayan. Ay, wait, may mali. 422-6699. Ayan. Term, because second term na po tayo, second trimester. Ayan yung bagong form. And the name, Pedro Penduco. Course and year, we have BS Ed. BS Ed na nga lang. BS Ed Music. Pares na rin ka-music ko siya. Music Music and arts. Music and arts. And then years in the group, 2 years. Play siguro, ano ba? Harp. Wala rin harp player si Pedro. And then address, Session Road. Session Road, Baguio City. Yan. Session Road, Baguio City. And then instrument, harp. Ay, sorry. Bakit tong sex naging harp? Sorry, meron po tayong button dito na pababa. Male or female? Sorry po, male. Yan. Sorry naman. Sorry naman po, male. Ayan. And then, as you can see here, submit your latest grade. So, yung 40% ng latest grade. So, makikita natin dito kung ilang percent yung kanilang na-gain. So, kung lumabas, siguro sabihin na natin 90% ang naipasa nila or naipasa ni Pedro Pinduco, 90%. Yan. Then, submit your audition video link. For the video link, siguro, Pedro Pinduco, harp, no? Pedro, harp. Kukuha lang ako ng sample dito. Harp, solo, male. Yan. Kunwari, nagawa ko ng harp solo. Meron ba nag-harp nila? Ito, yan, lalaki. Alexander ang pangalan niya. Yan. So, kunin ko po yung link ni Alexander. Natin yung sounds. Copy-paste lang natin yung link. Ayan. Tapos, wait, ang haba ng kanyang advertisement. O minsan, kailangan natin pong tiisin yung mga advertisement po nila. Fast forward. Ayan. Hard. Okay, so ganyan po sample. Then, what will you do next is to copy the link of your video. Yan. And then, pwede nyo pong i-save, pwede nyo i-delete yung kanilang application, and then print, pwede po pag-print. Save lang muna natin. Yan, nakasave. Nakita natin gumalaw yung logo ng ating UCPO logo. So, nag-save po yun. Or you can print. Pag-print it po natin, lalabas po yung print button dyan na kung ilan po, print. So, pwede natin magkaroon tayo ng printing ng ating mga files. Or, next. By the way, si Pedro Pinduco with ID number 14. So, pag close po natin yan, lalabas po dapat yan si Pedro Pinduco ng number 14. So, close natin. Open uli natin yung ating database. Ayan. Parang nagre-refresh po yan. Okay. Wait. Apo. Oops. Anong nangyari doon? Okay, ay tinataas ko. Wait lang po ha. Alright. Okay, ito na po. So, yan po yung form kanina. Then we click the UCPO ranking. Yan, lumabas na ba? Pedro Penduco, 20 years old, male, BS in Music. Yan po yung telephone number of years, 2 years, harp. Yan. So, pwede po nating masilip yung kanilang sinabit na video. So, yan po yung kanina. Di ba? So, very successful po. Ang bilis natin makita submission for my students. So, ayan po, pwede nyo pong i-print, pwede nyo pong i-scan, or pwede natin puntahan dito, like for example, itong mga previous Harry Roque, Luis Asejo, ayan, Benjamin Santos, Sofia de la Rosa, Divine Flores, ayan, Jasmine Pasha, Paul Luis Serrano, Pedro Penduco. So, ayan na po. So, ilan po yung student natin na na-record so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 students po lahat. Ayan. So, this will be very helpful, especially ito na po yung aming pwedeng gamitin for our next audition and the ranking for. So, thank you very much, Ma'am Ami Balsita. Na-challenge po talaga ako dito, but I hope you enjoy po yung aking simple database or MS database po na ginawa. Maraming salamat po. Merry Christmas. Have a nice day. Thank you.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.